Hey Zane, there's really one big thing that I need to say about your paper. Um, the the material. I want you to watch the commercial. The material that you have right here is really quite good. Um, you have a lot of information. You've clearly done a lot of research. All of that I think is excellent, and I don't want you to change any of that that you have here. So don't get rid of anything. But, and here's the problem. As we go down through your paper, after you provide some background to this, you then go article, article, opposing side. Now, the reason why that's a problem is because you're basing your argument simply around what other people have had to say rather than presenting your thoughts. So my question here is, what are your thoughts about the question of gun control? What do you think should be happening? Or at least what is a survey, or how are you framing what other people are saying? Because if you can provide me with what you think, then the articles that you're citing should simply be there to support your perspective or thoughts rather than the articles that you're citing being the basis of your thoughts. Um, so that needs to happen. And then when we come down here to the opposing side, you do much the same thing, leaning heavily on articles from the NICS or from the NRA, talking about why it is that having more guns is actually a good thing. So again, the articles seem to be telling you what you should be thinking rather than you having thoughts and the articles supporting what you're saying. Um, that's really the big thing that I have right here. Your paper is pretty easy to read. You've obviously done a lot of research. That's all wonderful, Zane. But we need to talk about what your thoughts are on this issue and how the articles can support you rather than the reverse happening, which is where I think you're at right now. All right, anyway, think about that, and we'll have a conversation regarding this tomorrow.